All right, guys, welcome back to Weekend Smile. Joining us is Christina Coleman, owner of What a Pizza, with some healthy, delicious desserts. Hi,
Christina.
Hi, good morning.
What a Pizza setup.
Yeah,
I like
it. My mouth is actually watering, and it's so interesting because when we heard the name, we said, "What a pizza! What a piece of cake! What a piece of cake! Nice." So, how did you even come up with this name? What a pizza?
It was just one day at home, you know, during that time, that little rough time when COVID hits and, you know, you're home. I'm in the industry of production.
Okay.
So at that time, my industry had shut down completely. So we're home and twiddling your fingers, trying to figure out what you're gonna do, what's the next move.
Yeah.
And I was just there thinking about, what am I going to do? Okay, I can bake. What's gonna happen? You know, what am I going to name it? How am I going to coin it? And then I started thinking about Jamaica and how we normally set our little things and when something sweet with. So I said, what a piece of something nicey. And that was how I came up with.
What a piece of niceness.
What a piece of niceness. What a piece of something sweet. Right. So that's also how I really came up with the name. It was just through thinking how as a Jamaican we would normally express when something sweet with. And that was just how it came up.
I know a lot of us have talents that we don't necessarily dive into, and it's really nice that you've decided that, hey, I can bake, let me use that. But then in choosing what it is that you want to bake, was it that you did some research to see what people wanted or what people loved, or, was there a special request? How'd you go about making up your menu? Because I see pudding here. Is that banana bread?
Yeah, banana bread, bread pudding, and carrot cake. Honestly, I have been baking from I was a child, and I'm a person that is not necessarily a sweet kind of a person in terms of treats.
Yeah,
Sweet tooth. I don't really have a sweet tooth, but I like baked products.
Okay.
And so I love banana bread. I love bread pudding, and so I just thought it just made sense for me to just try my hand at it. I did a couple sampling, and it just took off.
How can we, because now we're especially big on having or maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
Right.
We don't want to have too much of this because you watch your weight, of course.
Yes.
With all the the diabetes or the sugar, high blood pressure, all of these things that affect us and as a result of our lifestyles. So how do we incorporate these sweet treats?
Well,
into a healthy lifestyle.
So I would say you can definitely incorporate them, for instance, into your breakfast.
Okay.
I would say it's more the bread pudding, the carrot cake, not the bread pudding, the banana bread and the carrot cake, because of course the main ingredient, the banana and the carrot, they do have some health benefits. For instance, the banana boosts your energy, the carrot helps with your vision.